All right, we're going to start a flow chemistry experiment using blue and yellow dye to make green through a mixing chip and a coil. And as the green dye comes out of, a green mixture comes out of the coil and goes through the flow UV cell, we'll be able to see the transmission change on the UV spectrophotometer. So I'll start the experiment. Here the solvent is going, the reagents are going through the mixing chip. And as you can see, the green color is now in the mixing chip and is now starting to enter the coil. And as it exits the coil and goes through the flow cell, we'll be able to see the signature on the bottom screen here. Okay, as you can see, the green color is coming to the top of the coil, hasn't started to exit it yet. And on the screen here, we see no change in transmittance. It's still 100% for all 5 of the wavelengths that I've chosen, which is 250, 420, 560, 615, and 700 nanometers. Now we can see a little bit of deviation, and the green is exiting the top of the coil. Our fraction collector jumps into service and is starting to collect our product at the same time. And as you can see, the slow deviation of the green color and the absorption of the various wavelengths increasing as the green goes through the flow cell. And at the top, the white line is the current wavelength spectrum, and the red line is the blank. Okay, now we've collected the hard cut of our product. We still have some green that is emanating from the leaving the coil, and that's showing right here as the green dye comes through the flow cell. And we return to a steady state, and the transmittance will go back up to 100%. So you can see the coil is, actually the next experiment has started, so there's now green is entering the bottom, but the top of the coil is almost all solvent. It's clear, and you have 0% transmittance at the top, and you'll see your next experiment start when the rest of that green gets up and comes out through the flow cell. Thank you very much.